class today, we're going to learn about ecosystems. Here's a picture of an ecosystem. And inside of an ecosystem are organisms. Organisms are living things that can eat and grow and die. Now, do you have any questions about an ecosystem?
What do all the organisms do?
There's types of organisms. There's the producers, which would be best known as plants. They make the food. And they make the food so we can be alive and eat. The consumers would be best known as humans or animals. And they eat the producers. And then there's the decomposers. They'd be best known as bugs or bacteria. They break waste down. Decomposers can break down things of matter / leaves and more to help the ecosystem. It's an important part of an ecosystem. Now let's talk about the food chain of all these animals. So maybe this fish could eat this fish or these little fishies. Sometimes this fish can eat these fish. And maybe this deer can eat all of these fish, or an eagle, rabbit, and maybe a bear. But definitely not a squirrel. Sometimes squirrels can though. So fish would be at the bottom of the food chain. So all of these things here can eat fish. But what can eat a rabbit? A deer could eat a rabbit, right? A bear could eat a rabbit. And sometimes eagles can eat rabbits. So rabbit would be second. Let me just write that. Not second at the top, second at the bottom. Okay. What could eat an eagle? Sometimes, if the eagle is down low, a bear could grab the eagle and eat it. It's very unlikely. And I don't think much deers eat eagles. Sometimes they can eat eagles. I think eagles would be the third in the food chain. Third.
What's the difference between an ecosystem and a biome?
Oh, the difference between an ecosystem and a biome? Ecosystems are smaller. For an example, ecosystems can be smaller than a rotting tree or a tide pool. They could be smaller than a pool or a nation. And sometimes it just depends. Biomes are bigger than ecosystems.
Like what?
Biomes can be like a nation full of neighborhoods and forests. Biomes can sometimes be like a whole country. So they're very big, and ecosystems are very small. Sometimes they can be big. But biomes will always be bigger.
Okay.
All right, there's the bell. I'm going away. Goodbye.
Thanks, teacher.